Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sumati. Today we're going to discuss how to apply OCI online for USA. Before which we will let us understand what is that prerequisite documents that you should be having, and before you should start, you should be knowing what is your eligibility that you have to cross check. And if you're already having a OCI card, you should go for a renewal or miscellaneous services. If you have a PIO card, then PIO to OCI, that is we call Lieu of valid PIO card. So PIO to OCI card conversions is possible. And if you already have a PIO card holder and card is lost, and there is a different procedure to be done. If you want any of this process to be done, we are there to help you. I'll be giving complete information about our website and contact details about our consultancy. You can always contact us. This is the prerequisite photo size, and you can read this and apply accordingly. And after registering, you can submit and take a PDF printout and visit to the FRR office directly to submit. So without wasting much time, let us jump into how to apply OCI online. So today we are going to select USA, and USA we have 3 to 6 places to apply for. One is Atlanta, Chicago, Huston and New York, San Francisco and Washington. Any of those places that you select, you will get a document list in hand. So we'll understand which are the places that I have addressed. I will give you a brief information about it so that you can walk in and submit there. First thing is Atlanta, 5549 Glenridge Drive NE, Atlanta, GA 30342. Second one is it is Chicago. So Chicago's address is VFS Indian Consulate Application Center, 180 N Stetson Avenue, 20th floor, suite number 2075, Chicago. And email address also is given. And next one is Hudson address also is given here. You can collect it and take a phone number as well to talk to them in person. So let's get back to the OCI. So select any of this. USA, I'm going to select USA and Atlanta. Fill. It's just a random information that I'm going to give. The person can be born here in USA, United States, or different from be having USA passport. And here is naturalization certificate of applicants, current citizenship, and renunciation certificate of Indian citizenship, address proof, and parent authorization certificate, and legal status. So if you are born here in India, then you have to submit. If you have a Indian passport, then you have to submit your Indian passport or renounce your Indian passport. Then you can apply for it. So next is passport number, any random number I'm just putting, and date of issue I'll give here prior to this, and 2023. Some pin code I'm giving, some phone number I'm just giving. Okay, this all random phone number, random email ID, and I'll just say next. Okay, if everything is there, that it will ask for submit. Otherwise you can still modify it. I'll go and submit. If you have a photos ready with you, then you can say yes, photo is ready with me. Then you will get the option to upload your photo and signature. Just select photo. So I just uploaded the photo here, and I'm gonna upload the signature as well. Okay, just uploaded. See, the photo is uploaded. That's all, friend. If you want any help in this regard, how to apply OCI card in USA, you can approach us. Our team is always there to help you guys. Do like our videos and subscribe our channel, and any help that you wanted, you can always call us. You can WhatsApp us. I will be giving complete information about our consultation. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.